Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make restaurant style paneer katti rolls at your home with very easy steps, guys. So here I took some fresh paneer and I chopped it into small cubes like this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to marinate this paneer. So for the marination here, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of dahi, that is the curd. So 3 to 4 tablespoons of curd, and in this I'm going to add some salt. How much salt you want in your katti rolls. Don't add too much salt, guys. Later we have to add little bit of salt. So this is done, and in this I'm going to add the garam masala, which gives a nice taste. So we have to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. So if you want to roast the paneer in the ghee, you can roast the paneer. But I'm not going to roast the paneer. I'm going to add like this. And in this I'm going to add the Kashmiri red chili powder, which gives a nice color in the marination. Here I added the chili powder. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix all these things together. So in the marination, I added the paneer, guys. So I'm going to mix all these things together. And in this, I added half onion, guys, which gives a nice taste in the marination. So it should be marinated for at least 15 to 20 minutes until it absorbs all the masalas. So yeah. In the meanwhile, what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop 1 tomato, 1 onion. So what I did, guys, take a tawa, I added mustard oil and some ordinary oil. I added 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and 1 tablespoon of canola oil. And in this, I added the marinated paneer and some onion and tomato. So we have to cook until it becomes fully brown and crisp. Can you see, guys? We can see the paneer will become very crispy. And it gives a nice taste when you are cooking in the tawa. And in this, I am going to add some kasturi methi. And here I am adding some kasturi methi, guys. This is the must. It gives a nice taste in the paneer katti rolls. And I'm going to add some chopped onion in the top. So this is ready, guys, and I'm going to remove this one. So here I have some frozen parota, guys. If you don't have the frozen parota, what you can do, you can prepare in the layered parota, which you can make it at home, or you can prepare at roti or wrap, anything, guys. So yeah. So here I have the lot of parotas, so which is very easy for us to prepare the paneer wrap. So we have to cook this parota until it becomes light golden and brown and crisp. So I applied a little bit of oil in the top so that we'll get more crisp in the parota. So this is kids' favorite recipe, guys. You can prepare this one for the lunch box, and the marination will take time, only 10 minutes. Otherwise, the total time for this recipe is only 15 minutes, guys. So yeah. So can you see, guys, this is ready, and I'm going to remove this one and I'm going to put it here. And here I am making one more. So what you can do, you can prepare this one day before, guys. So a very easy recipe and interesting recipe. So it's time to prepare the katti rolls. So here I took one onion and I chopped in the lengthwise, and here I have the parota. What I'm going to do, I'm going to apply some green chutney. So here is a homemade green chutney, guys. If you want the recipe, please let me know so that I can prepare and show you guys. And I'm going to apply this one in the parota. If you want to add mayonnaise, you can add the mayonnaise also. I'm going to add that one also. So here I applied the mayonnaise also, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this paneer tikka and I'm going to add in the middle. So I added the paneer tikka, and in this I'm going to add some onion. If you want to add any veggies, guys, you can add the tomato, capsicum, anything up to your choice. So I'm going to roll this one and put it in the wrap. And I put it in the wrap, guys. Can you see? And I added some ketchup. So yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make a paneer tikka wrap at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.